The glorious Quran, it is the most positive book in the world. It is a proclamation to humanity. It is a fountain of mercy and wisdom. It is a warning to the heedless, a guide to the errant, a solace to the suffering, and a hope to those in despair. The glorious Quran, it is the most positive book in the world. Now when anyone comes up with a solution, what will you do? You would want to know the source. You would want to know the authenticity. For example, if a doctor gives a patient certain prescription, the patient will want to know regarding this prescription, what are the qualifications of the doctor? So whenever any prescription is given to an individual, the person will want to know who has given the prescription. Is it given by a doctor? What are his qualifications? Similarly, when we say that the glorious Quran, it is a solution for humanity, people would want to know, especially the non-Muslims, who is the author of the glorious Quran? What is the source of the glorious Quran? What is the authenticity of the glorious Quran? The best to give us human beings a solution for humanity, it is the Creator, the Lord of the universe, the Lord who created us human beings, the sustainer, the cherisher of us human beings.